So class 6 is your second chapter in July portion, that is chapter 5, applying formatting effects. Okay, so to begin with, let me tell you what is formatting. Formatting is any change that we do in our font size, color, or the alignment change, line spacing, applying indent, tab, bullets, all of those are known as formatting effects. Okay, so first topic you have to see is working with Slide Master. Yes, so Slide Master, can you see a dotted lines? That is known as a placeholder. You have two placeholders, one is title placeholder and other one is body text placeholder. Fine. So okay, here you can see I opened a Slides Master view for you. Yes, when I click on Slide Master, the presentation view groups has taken, and you can see the table where you can see the prompt. It's asking me to enter the footer. So I am entering the footer as my trial. Then I am clicking on slide number, date and time. Then apply to all. So all slides the same effects will come. See where over here my trial 10th June and the slide number. Yes, I'll enlarge it for you to see. Okay, so now we have seen how to body text placeholder, how we were working with. Yes, I'm closing the master view. Next topic we have to see is creating a new custom layout. Custom means what we say customized according to our wish, where we want to add a picture, where we want to place our table, so that we will be deciding. So we will be customizing our layout. We will be clicking on view tab, slide master in the presentation view. Yes, and we are inserting a insert slide master. Yes. Like if you want to delete something that is not required, just need to select and click on delete. Insert placeholders. So the content I can insert text, picture, chart, table, smart art, any one of those I can insert. So I am selecting here a text. Yes, I am designing my layout. Earlier we had a list of pre-designed like title and content, title only. Now I am going to design my own layout where I want a picture. Yes, so many other placeholders are there, as you can see. Yes, you can just try it out. I just tried only for 2. Then we have changing color schemes. Yes, I selected a slide. I'm changing its design. Over there, can you see the colors? Yeah, if I hover around, I can see which is the select color I want to. I just need to select and apply to all slides. Since only one slide is here, if I create more slides, we can apply to all the slides. Or there is option like you can apply to a selected slide alone. Fine. Next, we can change the background color. Yes, so in background style button, you have to select whichever background group like background you want. When you hover around the mouse, you can select the background. Next is using fill effects. Yes, So what I'm going to do is I'll be inserting an image in that shape. I'm going to fill the effects. I can do it two ways. Either I can do it with a color, like pink color, or some gradient texture I can add, or I can add a clip art image. Okay, so I selected a shape. Yes, so first option, shape fill. I can change the color. See what happens when I'm selecting each color. Then I can change the gradients. I can select for more gradients. From here I can select the texture. If I click on picture and texture fill, gradient fill, I have in that I have green, fire, gold, again gold, moss. Okay, I selected one. Then the color combination I can change. Okay, over here orange, yellow. I'm selecting yellow. Click on close. Yes, so see the combination. So this is one method, right? One more method is there where I can add a clip, and from the clip art I can add the form picture. Okay, for what that I have to do is I have to clip art. Do you remember clip art? In the insert we had clip art. Yes, the same thing we can add it in this shape. I will show you how we do that. Okay, so how to do the same process on the shape? You have to click, right click. Yes, right click on the shape. It will ask you the same shape fill option, texture. You can change the texture. Yeah, in this, can you see clip art? Just select that, select any one. If I add two images, one above the other, it will come, and whichever you don't want, you select and delete it off. Yes, so I'm selecting one, clicking on OK, closed it. So this is the image that I added. Next to topic is very simple, that is applying intent and adding a table. For that, let's see how we are formatting the effects. Formatting is nothing other than font size, font size, how to increase the font, decrease the font, the format painter, that is the copy is the same formatting. If you apply italics to a particular text, if you want to apply it for the rest of the text, you can use that format paintbrush. So wait a second, I'll show it in a new slide. Okay, over here I'm going to type some text. This is computer science class. Okay, so now I'll show you with this text. First I'll select it, then I'm going to apply the formatting effects. Bold, italic, underline, strike, then the alignments, that is left to right, center, justify. You can even, if you hover the mouse, you can see the names. See, this is justify, line right, center, yes, I'm changing the font. Okay, next we are going to add a table. adding a table related to this, you have a lab activity also. Yes, so two ways you can add a table, either like I'll show you right now. One is in this insert table, or in insert you have table. Both the ways you can add it. In your textbook, I believe the other way has been taught, so let's see that. Yeah. So table, I'm giving the count. So as per the count given, the column and the number of rows has been come. Yes. Next, how we enter the data in that table, right? So this particular row we will use it as a heading. Next row, that is for the content, or what you can say it as data. Yes, whatever the content is, or we can say it as data. Okay, I'll just remove content. Yeah, so now we understood how to enter data in a table. Next, we have to see the table tools. So this is one, table styles. Can you see the design layouts I'm changing, designs I'm changing? Yeah, that is one of the table tool. Next to that, you can see pen, color, draw table, eraser. Yeah, adding a table is done. Then entering data I already told. Then table tools, that's what I was discussing right now. Yes, in that you have drawing a table, you have option. Okay, you can see what's this way I have drawn a table. Inside that I drawn a row. I want to erase it, so I'm doing erase. Yeah, see, I erased it off. So these were the various table tools that were available. Next, we have to see the components of a chart. That's very important. Figure 5.12 in your textbook. That's a very important question. Yes, you will may be asked to mark the parts of a components of a chart. Fine. So that particular value axis I'm showing you. I've marked it in numbers for you to understand better. Data series. Yes, can you see where my mouse is hovering around? Then category name. Yes, plot area is the white area. Window within chart area is known as a plot area, and legend is just below the. Can you see which color denotes what shown over there? That is the legend area. So with this, I have completed almost half of the chapter. The remaining, along with the lab activity, I will explain it to you in the next video. Okay. Okay. Thank you, students.